a Telegram account made not using your real number but a virtual number, like this, as you can see in the screen in front of you. This is what, if you need, then you are in the right place. Just make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to learn how to make a Telegram account without using your own phone number, or let's say, to be more specific, this video is going to cover on topics on how to make a Telegram account using a virtual number. So hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me, Suri Prakash. And as I told in the beginning of this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Telegram account using a virtual number in the year 2024. First of all, search for Telegram in the Google Play Store and install this application. Once you have installed this application, it could be great if you can just, clone your application. As you can see, I already have my WhatsApp cloned and now I'm going to make a Telegram clone. If you do not know how to clone your application, then there is a video which I have posted in order to teach you guys how to clone the application. That video's link is going to be in the description and the first comment. Please go take a look at it. Now after in the clone application, make sure you turn off this option. Contacts from this device will not be added to this account, which means that your contacts are not going to be added to this account and you are not going to be syncing your contacts. This is to maintain your privacy, as if you forgot to turn off this option, then all your contacts is going to get synced. And the primary reason why you are using the Telegram account using the virtual number, or let's say the reason why you are using a Telegram account without your number, is going to go to waste. This is how you reach this page. Here, make sure to choose the country as United States. Here, in the page where you actually enter the number, make sure to enter your virtual number. Now, if you're speaking about the topics from where can we get a virtual number like this, then there are actually primarily two ways where you can obtain a virtual number. The first option would be to use the temporary numbers which is available on the internet. Well, this method comes with a lot of risks, as anybody can reclaim your account at any time, so this account is not going to be yours and you're going to put in a lot of work, as most of the numbers available on the internet is going to be banned. For example, I would show you this. Let's go try visiting the website. I'm just visiting this website because it's located in the top. I'm not actually promoting this website and I do not recommend using this website too. All the websites mostly is going to be the same. You just go and you choose a number, and in here you would have the recent messages sent. As you can see, there is an Instagram account in this number, there is a Signal account in this number, there are a lot of accounts in this number, and we can just reclaim. Let's say if I want to reclaim the Instagram account, I can just use the number and I can reclaim the Instagram account anytime when I need. So now let us try using this number. As you can see, this number is banned. So like this, a lot of numbers available on the internet is going to be banned. So that's the reason why I told I do not recommend using the numbers available over here. The next method is using the second phone number. Applications provides us with the second phone number, or you can just rent the number for a certain period of time, or you can just use it, and if it's just active, we can just we get to keep the number. And as long as you're active on the application, you get to keep this number, so the account is going to be yours for as long as you're active, right? So this is the one of the applications which provides us with second phone number. This application's name is going to be Text Plus. Well, there are a lot of applications like this, as you can see. There is Text Now second line. Well, Text Now is the market leader, but by the recent Text Now update 2023, it's become very hard to make an Text Now application account. And even if you make an account, Text Now has made the options to receive OTP to be paid, so it's going to be so hard. Right now, the best application to make social media accounts such as Telegram and WhatsApp would be Text Plus. As Text Plus gives us with the free number for a week, and if we are using it at least once a week, then we get to keep the number as long as we are active. So this actually paves us a way in order to make social media accounts. Now let us try what is going to happen when we use this number. Well, there are chances that this number is also banned, but in the second phone number applications, there is only 50% chance of the numbers being banned. So if we try two numbers, or let's say three numbers, one of them is going to be active. So you can make a lot of accounts and you can obtain a lot of phone numbers. And with this, you will be able to make a lot of Telegram accounts without your own original phone number. Now let me try pasting this. Let's take a look at what is going to happen. I'm going to check whether there is any recent SMS. As you can see, I have a WhatsApp account in this number. This is a proof of me having a WhatsApp account. So in the same way, you can actually obtain a Telegram account too. Okay, right now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect to VPN. As you can see right now in my screen above, I have connected to VPN. Well, I mainly use these two VPNs. I'm not promoting, once again, I'm not promoting. If you need the free VPN, you can just use the Proton VPN. If you are going to be with paid VPN, there are a lot of options. I am using IPVanish because I just got the free subscription of IPVanish for a year. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the application to check whether I received the OTP. If I did not receive the OTP, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here. In this, what we must do is we must clear the entire data. I'm going to try this number once again. And this, try if we are not getting an OTP, it just means that there are a lot of chances that this number is banned. As you can see, even waiting for about a minute, I did not receive an OTP. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this last method. That is, I'm going to uninstall this application. As this is a clone, I'm uninstalling this application. If it's the original application, what you have to do is go here, go to the storage option, go to clear. There will be two options. One is to clear cache, and another one is to clear data. As this is a clone, I am having another option, but you would have the option to clear data, and by clicking over here, you would be clearing the entire data. And even if this number is not working, this option is not working, we just go try using another number which we could obtain easily from this application. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then just don't forget to click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And I have something very important to share to you guys. The thing is that channel is getting a huge membership update in the year 2024. So right now you'll be able to find the join button and the subscribe button. So first of all, if you're not subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button located near the subscribe button. And after subscribing to my channel, you will be able to find the join button and the subscribe button. I'm not forcing you to join, but please go take a look at the perks being provided if you become a member of a community, as there are a lot of perks such as member only exclusive videos and one-on-one direct interaction with me, so I can easily solve all your problems, and early access to all the new videos, so you could be the first to solve all of the troubles. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. It's me Surya Prakash signing off from Protech Genius. Let's again meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.